Good morning students, welcome to online biology class. And in the last class we discussed about the nucleus, yes, right? And also we discussed one activity also, how we are going to be check the nucleus from cheek cells, and a dotted like structure present in a cell is nothing but we may call it as a nucleus, that we already discussed in the last session. And in this session we are going to be discussed about the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. First we will see how to draw that prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. This is the what I am going to be drawn now is this is the basic cell structure of a prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. First I am going to be draw the structure of prokaryotic. Observe it very neatly, very slowly. Okay. Yes, this is the prokaryotic cell. Now the parts: cell wall, plasma membrane, and the dotted structure is nothing but cytoplasm, and this is the nucleoid, and this is nothing but vacuole, and this is flagella. This is the structure of prokaryotic cell. Yes, this is the structure of prokaryotic cell. Now I am going to explain some parts. Yes, cell wall we already know. The cell wall is present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. This cell wall only is having the rigid structure, and this cell wall is going to give the strength to the cell also. Okay. And next, plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is the next outer covering layer of a cell, and with this plasma membrane the proteins, the lipids, the entry and exit of materials are going to be happen with the help of this plasma membrane. And next, the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a fluid. It is a jelly fluid and it will be float in a cell. These nuclei we already discussed in the last session. The prokaryotes are not having a nuclear membrane. That's why the nucleate cells will be float in the cytoplasm, that we already discussed. And next, vacuole. Vacuole is the cell organelle present in the cytoplasm of a cell. This vacuole will be helpful for the prokaryotic cell to store the food, to excrete the food. The vacuole is going to be helpful. And next, flagella. Flagella is going to be helpful for a cell to flagellate from one place to another place, to move from one place to another place by the bacteria. This is the prokaryotic cell. Example, bacteria. Okay, now this is the best example of prokaryotic cell. And next I am going to be draw the eukaryotic cell. Next. Yes, this is the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, we can take it as an example of plant cell, animal cell, anything we can be take. And human cell also is nothing but eukaryotic cell. Yes, now here I am going to be explain the parts. Cell wall. Like how in a prokaryotic cell, here also the cell wall is going to be gives the strength for the cell. And next, plasma membrane. We already discussed about that the plasma membrane is having double layer, outer covering layer of the cell, and it's used for the entry and exit of the molecules. And next, and the floated substance is there. This is the dotted-like substance. That is nothing but the cytoplasm. What is that? Cytoplasm. And next, we already discussed in the last session, there is a central playing role in a cell. That is nothing but nucleus. What it is that? Nucleus. This nucleus is having contain the chromosomes. What the nucleus are going to be contain? Chromosomes. Yes, this is, we may call it as a nucleolus. And the nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is there? No. We already discussed the eukaryotic cell. The nuclear membrane will be present. Next, around the nuclear membrane, the endoplasmic reticulum will be present. That is one type of cell organelle. Okay, now endoplasmic reticulum will be present around the nuclear membrane of nucleus. Next, after in the cytoplasm, there is another important cell organelle is nothing but mitochondria. What is that? Mitochondria. This mitochondria is going to produce the ATP molecules, and with the help of the ATP molecules only, we are getting energy. And next, a large halo-like structure, hole, will be called as a vacuole. Vacuole is helpful for storage of food material. And next, here the chloroplast will be present. Chloroplast will be useful for photosynthesis. Again, you may have wondered, ma'am, animal cell means human cell. Human cells are not having chloroplast now. Yes, we are not having chloroplast cell. But there is again some more differences are there for plant cells and animal cells. Here I am just telling the common thing I am going to be explained here. Next, and some small lysosomes will be present. And next, ribosomes will be present. These ribosomes are helpful for the production of proteins. And next, lysosomes are nothing but the suicidal bags of the cell. If any foreign material came to a near cell, if any infection, if any virus across came near your cell, at that time these lysosomes will be capture that infection and it's get be suicided to kill that infection. That's why we call it as a lysosomes are suicidal bags of a cell. And next, 2 or 3 folds, cup-like structures are there that are nothing but Golgi complex. What it is that? Golgi complex. This is the differences what we have seen in it, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Why? Because due to the absence of nuclear membrane, the nucleus is scattered in the cytoplasm. That's why the cell organelles are not there in the protoplasm. But the eukaryotic cell, the specific cell organelles are there in the cytoplasm. That's why we are having a specific cells to do specific functions in our body. That's why we are human beings, they are the bacteria. Yes, and the common cell organelles are there. What are they? Cell wall 1, here also cell wall. Plasma membrane and plasma membrane. Cytoplasm 3, cytoplasm 3. Vacuole 4, and the common thing is the nucleus. These 5 cell organelles are only same for the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And we need to be know that what are the differences are there based on the size. The size we will be see with the help of one chart. What are the differences are there in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cell. First, based on the size. The prokaryotic size is generally a very small size. The size of prokaryotic is very small. Its size is generally from 1 to 10 micrometers. 1 to 10 micrometers. But the size here is large. And generally the size from 1 to 100 micrometers. I am telling each cell size. Here 1 micrometer is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. 1 micrometer is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6 meters. That is based on the size of prokaryotic and eukaryotic. And next, what is the differences? The nuclear region. In the nuclear region, what is the differences? Here, nucleides are floated. Nucleides floated. And here, nucleides between the nuclear membrane. Between the nuclear membrane. Okay. And next, what is the next common difference in both the chromosomes? Here, in a prokaryotic cell, single chromosome will be present. Single chromosome only will be present. If this chromosome wants to double, 1, 1, 1, 1, like that only division will be occur. But here, more than 1. More than 1 chromosomes are present in where? Eukaryotic cell. And next one more, the common thing is that membrane bounded cell organelles are absent. Membrane bounded cell organelles means here the nuclear membrane is there. The mitochondria membrane is there. Like that, membrane bounded cell organelles absent. Here present. Membrane bounded cell organelles are present. These are the basic differences we may observe in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Yes, this is about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, children. And one more thing we need to be discussed about the cytoplasm. Yes. Again, one more cell organelle is there. We need to be discussed. The common cell organelle is nothing but the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. What are the characters are there in the cytoplasm? This cytoplasm will be present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. In both cells you may see this cell. And this cytoplasm is a fluid floated in a cell. Floated in a cell. And this cytoplasm is having holding capacity of holding the cell organelles. Yes. And these cytoplasm are having the organelles is helpful for the entry and exit of. This cytoplasm is also having containing proteins, carbon dioxide, oxygen, all other compounds are also present in the cytoplasm. And different types of nucleides. The nucleus will be released, that cells also will be present. And next, that the osmosis and diffusion process are going to be happen with the help of this cytoplasm fluid rigidity only. Yes, this is the thing, children. I want to explain to you that today what we discussed the topic, the differences between the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. We draw the two different structures on the board. The two structures are the common basic structures of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And we discuss the common parts, what is there in the prokaryotic and eukaryotic we discussed. And next in the eukaryotic we discussed some parts of cell organelles we discussed slightly. And next we discussed the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells also we discussed in this session. And also we discussed about the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the common cell organelle present both in prokaryotic and eukaryotic. This is in this session we discussed about this, and in the next session we are going to be discussed about the cell organelles present in a cell. Yes. Different cell organelles are there, we told you, no? Mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, and vacuoles, chloroplast, and in that also some differences are there. Some parts will be present in plant cells and some parts will be present in animal cells. That also we will be discussed in the next session. And today's session I am going to be completed by this topic, and tomorrow we will continue the same lesson. Thank you, children.